Hi there, yoga friends. I'm so happy you're here to practice with me today. Before we begin, remember to give this video a thumbs up and click subscribe.
Let's start. Balance on your sit bones. Lift legs and arms, forming a V. Engage core. Keep spine straight and breathe steadily. Lie on your back with feet flat and hands beside your ears. Press into your limbs to lift your body into an arch. Straighten your arms and breathe deeply. Lie down on your belly. Place your hands under your shoulders and lift your chest. Look forward like a proud cobra sneak. Sitting cross-legged with a straight spine. Come onto your hands and knees. Round your back like a cat, then drop your belly and look up like a cow. Keep breathing as you flow. Resting the hands on the knees with thumbs and index fingers touching to promote relaxation. Sit sideways against a wall. Then swing your legs up while lying back. Keep your back flat and arms relaxed. Breathe deeply as your blood flow reverses, calming your nervous system. Slide one knee forward behind your wrist while extending the other leg straight back. Square your hips and lengthen your spine. Fold forward or sit tall to stretch the hips. Lie on your back. Lift your legs and hips. Then slowly lower your feet over your head to the floor. Keep your legs straight and support your back with your hands. From hands and knees, walk your hands forward and bring your chest toward the mat. Keep your hips high and imagine you're a happy puppy stretching after a nap. Place one hand on the floor beside you and lift the other arm up and over your head. Stretch to the side like you was reaching for a rainbow. Switch sides and feel the stretch on both sides of your body. Standing with feet wide, hinging sideways to reach one hand down to the leg while extending the opposite arm vertically to open the chest. Standing in a wide stance with the front knee bent and the back leg straight while extending both arms horizontally out to the sides at shoulder height. That's all for today. See you tomorrow.